Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. So let's get started. So here we are in Monopoly Go, and from here what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna tap here or click here on the three horizontal bars on the top right of your screen, and then once you're here you want to make sure that you remember your username right here, because we will be needing it later on when we go into Sticker Go. So the next thing is that we're gonna go tap here on our friends icon right here on the bottom right. So tap on that, and from here tap on the invite button right here. So tap on this one, and then from here we're just gonna be copying the link of our invite link right here. So we will need to tap here. So from here you would want to tap on the copy button on your phone, but in my case I don't have that right here because this is just an emulator, but you should have that wherein you said copy. So once you have copied your link, you want to go into the Sticker Go right here. So once you're here in your Sticker Go, as you can see it's still loading, so let's just wait. And then from here, you want to tap here on your profile on the bottom right of your screen. Tap here and then tap on profile here again. And then from here, you want to go and paste your Monopoly Go link right here. So just type on paste and then hit save right here. And then once you're done with that, then it should be all good right here. And then lastly, your name on Monopoly Go, just like I've said earlier. So once you remember that, type it out right here, and then once you have typed this out right here, tap on save right here to save everything right here. And yeah, once you have done that, then just like that, you have now successfully connected your Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.